the world fell into silence.
And the shadows of uncertainty grew long. They were those who didn't hide.
They didn't ask if the path was safe.
They only asked who needs us. To the ministry who held the compass steady.
Guiding us to the fog of the unknown.
To the police, the guardians of our quiet streets.
Who stood as walls when the winds changed.
To the delivery drivers, our silent messengers.
Who braved the empty roads so that we wouldn't have to.
And to every worker, every hand, every soul.
Who kept moving while the sky was heavy with danger.
You were the pulse of the city that refused to stop. You were the light in the deepest part of the night. We saw you.
We remember you.
And today, from the heart of Podar Pearl School,
We simply say,
thank you for being our shield.